going on, guys? My name is Kevin. I am the creative producer and director of photography at 2 Stories Media, a production company based in Clearwater, Florida, and we travel the state and sometimes out of the state for various projects. Really, we wanted to just start this series to talk about the various productions and projects that we're a part of. Some of them are going to be on productions that we facilitate within our production company, and some of them are going to be projects that we're the crew on, whether it's the G&E department or camera department, anything in between. The very first project we're going to talk about is for a client of ours, Farah & Farah. They are a law firm based up in Jacksonville. They have branches throughout all of Florida and into Georgia. I think they're up to 12, 13, maybe even 14 branches now. So quite a large law firm. And this project specifically was called Energy, and it was a massive ad campaign that ultimately was for the Jacksonville Jaguars, which they are a premier sponsor of. And within the ad campaign, there was also billboards, social media ads, various graphic elements. It was, one of those campaigns that just had multi-layers to it.